This is take two today. We've been talking about, I'm Linda Hollington, by the way, Harbour Bank of Paradise. We've been talking about hurricane season and some of the things that you can do, excuse me, to have your own ready. And today we're going to talk about wind mitigation because there's there's water, there's flooding, there's wind. And mitigation means that sort of a way of controlling it to be less evasive than it would be without trying the mandates. Florida law mandates insurance companies to give you premium credits on your bill for doing wind mitigation and having it documented. All right. That's why we're talking about it. Save you a little bit of money and probably your home if you do have a hurricane or even a tornado come through. You usually use a professional to do these things to assess the things that you do to your house to try to make it better for inspections and for hurricanes. Number one is the roof geometry. I do know that the hip roof, that's when it's shaped like a pyramid, slopes on all four sides, you get the largest discount for that if you have that type of roof. So next buy, you might keep that in mind. The roof to wall connections, inspector looks for hurricane clips or racks, other than just plain nails that form holding that roof down, which doesn't prevent the uplift with the wind. Roof deck attachment, this evaluates how the plywood is nailed to the rafters. For example, 6-inch intervals qualify for higher credits. So if you have a deck and you have a roof over it, you want the nails to be within 6 inches for a discount. Opening protection, every single opening, they want covered. Glass blocks, skylights must be impact rated or protected by approved shutters. And the last thing we have here is secondary water resistance. Peel and stick layer beneath your shingles that prevents the water from entering the home, even if the primary roof covering is blown away. There's something under there. They're calling it a peel and stick layer. I have no idea what that is, but it keeps the water from going through to the house. So it's only for $75 to $150 for this inspection. It's well worth it to save you money and to save the price. Have someone look at your house before we have a storm that comes by and affects your roof or even the inside of your home. Thank you for joining me. See you again next time.